Hello everyone, welcome to the Crystal Canyon Apartment Complex. Welcome to 5010 North 22nd Avenue. This is a 2000s built 16-unit complex. And the main wonderful feature about this complex is that they are all 3-bedroom, 2-bath units. Let's go take a look. Bear with me for 115 because it is definitely under construction. So you're gonna have to have a little vision of the future, but it's worth it. Welcome to unit 115. Picture this. Brand new flooring. Gray wood look. New baseboards. New doors. New light fixtures. Brand new kitchen. Brand new bathroom. Brand new laundry room. Right? This is going to be a beautiful apartment. Take all the finishes. Unit 115 is going to hands down be nicer than the rest of the units. And more of the units will be finished like this too. So these fully upgraded units will not last long. And these should go for approximately $1,400 a month. Between the refinishes and everything. And one of the biggest things is that they completely gutted this bathroom, replumbed it so you could have 2 full vanities, a big shower and everything to really nicely, fully accommodate the 3 bedrooms. It's not much to look at yet, but I promise you it's worth taking a look at. And when the product is finished, you will not regret it. Now, if you're familiar with the area around like 22nd and Camelback, you know that most of the buildings in this area were built in like the 60s. It's very rare to find a 2000s built, which is exactly what this is. It's on a great lot. It has wonderful landscaping, conveniently located to GCU. You have the light rail. I mean, you have the Biltmore right up the way. This is such a fantastic location. Now we're gonna take a look at the common areas really fast. And we have 2 common areas, both with a picnic table and a barbecue. And soon these will be covered within the upcoming months. And the owner is actually contemplating what to do with these other spaces, because you have a space here, space on the other side. They're both used for drainage. And there's actually space on the other side as well. And they can be used for playgrounds, pools. And so in the upcoming months, he'll be looking for feedback from the tenants to see what they think. So here's another benefit of this beautiful complex. Here you have it, Crystal Canyon Apartment Complex. 16 units, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, approximately 1,100 square feet each, and well worth checking into. We have the basic, which is $1,250 a month. We have the mid-level, which is $1,350 a month, and then you have the high-end complete gut remodel, which is going to be $1,450 a month. These are worth checking out. They're not going to last long. If you'd like a tour or more information, call our office, 602-938-5415. Ask for the property manager, and we'll see you soon.